All right, guys, I got a quick announcement for you. This is Colby with MCAD. We got another boot camp coming up. It's going to be starting Wednesday, November 5th, 2025 at 5 p.m. Pacific. It's going to be on Zoom, and we are using the Kajabi platform. If you want to sign up, this is our landing page. We'll have links in the description. And when you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Purchase Now and go through the checkout, you'll get instant access to the previous iteration of the course, all 8 weeks recorded lessons and Q&A, along with source files, DWG files that you can use, a template, along with architectural backgrounds to draw the sprinkler system over the house. And we got some new tools that are going to be coming out on each week of the course. This week, there'll be a new, starting on the 5th, we'll have a new lecture. Each week, we'll have a new lecture. The nights when we have certain files being released, many of those files will be updated. The template this year, we're going to include some Lisp routines to automate some simple tasks, kind of get you used to that. And so there's some other new tools we got coming out this year, so plenty to look forward to. If you are interested, check it out. It's going to be Wednesday, November 5th, 5 p.m. Pacific, and I look forward to seeing you guys there.